Hello, my name is Roland Dada. With this presentation, just want to briefly go over office workplace recommendations to ensure a healthy and safe work environment. Within the UNE's office workplace, there's not much things that you can identify that may be hazardous unless you scrutinize different areas, but there were a few, and I just want to go over some of them. One thing that I did notice was the setup and organization of the work environment. There was a lot of clutter and it seemed unsafe. Workstations definitely need to be spread out cleanly and architecturally when it comes to cubicles, desks, cabinet drawers, whatever the case may be that may block walkways. When you block walkways or pathways, you're generally blocking exits, and that can lead to dicey situations, especially in a situation where there may be a fire drill or in fact the actual fire. It's estimated that about 76,000 fractures are sustained within the work environment, along with dislocations, sprains, strains, contusions every year. It sounds odd because you're in an office. That sounds more of like a sport related event dealing with fractures and dislocations. But when you're in a small, compact area with desks, computers, drawers, printers, these are things that can easily lead to trips and falls. According to OSHA, when you want to have a great organization of an office layout, there needs to be at least 3 feet distance between desks and at least 50 square feet per employee. When you're in an office, you definitely want space. You definitely want to keep clutter away, keep telephone and electrical cords out of the aisles. And a great thing to have within an office is regular inspections to ensure repair and replacement of faulty things, even carpets. You always have complaints within offices where people come to work and they're fine, no sneezing, no coughing, no runny noses. But as soon as they get to work, they start to sneeze, cough, congestion, runny noses, and this can be associated with, dirty carpets, allergens, dirty ventilation systems, and that should be addressed within a work environment. Having a OSHA guidelines or a committee where employees' voices can be heard to voice these things or concerns within their work environment. And talking with ventilation, you definitely want to address mold. Anytime there's moisture, that can definitely lead to mold. Within this work environment, mold was reported in the bathroom. Even though that was reported, that's not to say that mold can be found in other areas. And when you have mold, there's definitely a ventilation problem. And with a ventilation problem, that can definitely lead to respiratory issues. The air quality within the office is associated to, as stated before, mold, cockroaches. You might not see them, but there can definitely be vermin activity within carpet, dust mites, tobacco smoke, paint, water moisture, which is associated with mold, heat ventilation, and air conditioning. As stated before, these conditions lead to allergic reactions and asthmatic episodes within the workplace. To have a great office environment and not a high volume of workers missing time or calling out sick because of asthma or allergies, you definitely want to address ventilation issues. Thank you.